Hi, it's Skip from Skip's Messy Workbench, and I thought it would be about time for an update on the group build, on the under 1000 group build that's sponsored by Mike over at Mike's Model Workshop and by Rob over at Time Machine's Scale Model. I'll have links down in the description to their channels if you're interested, but I've been working on a 54 Hudson Hornet Coupe, and haven't had a lot of time to work on it lately, but I finally got back in the shop, and I have the engine, which you can see here, pretty much done. The engine is almost finished, and when I say that, there's some decals that need to go on it yet. I was going to wire it, but it's just not going to happen. So this will be the first model in a while that I have not wired at least the spark plugs. But this so far has been a really nice kit. This is a nice little engine. It's a nice 6-cylinder inline. I took a little bit of creative license on it, in the sense that I did my oil filter in orange, and I did the distributor in like a sand color. Forget the exact number, but it's a something sand. Just to, again, bring it out a little bit more. And then the throttle linkage is shown in here. I may connect the throttle linkage in here yet. I'm not sure yet. So that's on its way. The engine, like I said, is ready. There's a couple of decals that go up on top of the air cleaner canisters. So that's on its way. I've down here on the deck, I do have the tires pretty much ready with their wheels. Those are the wheels that came with the kit. I really like them. I did not do any blackout on them yet or not, and I will be. And I was just getting the front wheel pieces put together, and also the rear wheel pieces put together. So that's in progress, but that's almost finished. So that said, let me go over to another part of my bench. So just hang in there for a minute. Okay, we're back. I actually didn't move the camera. I moved the stuff over to another part of the bench because the light where I was before was just even worse than it is here. Anyway, the body is all primed. It's getting ready for its first coat of paint, and I decided that I am gonna again go a little bit outside of the factory color, and my body is going to be this color right here. The lower body is going to be this color, which is a Tamiya yellow green, and then the roof, or the upper body, is going to be black. And I thought those two colors went together really nice. Forgive the black if you could see the flaws on it. I dropped the spoon a few times and it crinkled a little bit. But that's the color combination I'm planning for the body. So this bottom half right in here and across the end of the hood is going to be this yellow green, or this green yellow. And the roof is going to be this gloss black. So that's what I decided for that. The interior. Now over on this side you can probably see, and I won't fool around much here, but I have everything over in here painted pretty much the color that it's going to be, except naturally the hood. I know you can't see that. Where are you? Okay, except for the hood, which is up here. That'll be body color naturally. The interior, which I just painted the bottom side of it, and that's wet yet. I don't want to handle it. Okay, so for the seats, I'm going to have two-tone seats. The pleats this area in here, and you can see I have some of this taped off already, and actually some of my my primer peeled off with some of the tape. But the pleated areas are going to be this color gray, and that's a Mission model color. That's a Mission dark gold gray, and the top and front of the seats, and that goes for both the front and the back seats, along with the window deck, are going to be this dark color, and this is also a Mission dark gray RLM 66. So I'm going to use these two colors for the seats, with the lighter color being the pleats and the darker color being the tops and fronts. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the seats. Haven't decided whether I'm going to do the dashboard in the body color or if I'm going to do it in a variation of the interior color. The floor of the interior will be flocked. There's not a lot of it to do. I'm either going to be using this charcoal gray for the flocking, which almost goes along, and I'm sorry about some of the glare here because I didn't want to take this out of the wrapper for just this video. It's almost the same as what I'm going to use for the front and backs of the seats, or I'll do it in this lighter gray, which I'm not even sure what color this was, but this was a lighter gray. So those two I haven't decided upon yet. I'm leaning toward the charcoal gray though for the carpeting. So that's where I am on that. Actually, it looks like there's a lot to do yet, but there really isn't. This kit has been going together really well, and hopefully I will get a little more time to work in the shop. I think I have the rest of this month anyway to finish this, and I guess that's it for this update. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to thank you all, my subscribers and guests, for your comments, for your suggestions. I really appreciate them. I also want to thank Mike and Rob for sponsoring this group build, and hopefully we'll get more people into the hobby. Like I said in my last video, I'm not as much into getting subscribers as I am to promote the hobby. I think model building is a great hobby for the youth, especially because it gets you to use your imagination, and for us old guys, because maybe it'll fend off that Alzheimer's, which sometimes sets in. So I'm sorry, guys. Anyway. That's about it for now. I'll be back in hopefully another, maybe week with another update and a lot more done. The weather's getting really nice here in eastern Pennsylvania. In fact, yesterday it was almost 80, which is uncommon for this area. And the lawn is growing, so I'll be starting to do a lot of grass cutting and lawn work soon. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. I'm rambling again. And listen, thanks again, everybody. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can give it a thumbs down, but you know, I would prefer a thumbs up. And do me a favor, if you really liked it, smack that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I release new videos, give that bell a ring and set it to all. I don't release a lot of videos, so I won't be bugging you that much. Anyway, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.